And we're moving on to some big breaking news coming in as far as the SSR death probe is concerned. Now CBI is considering adding the murder charge as far as FIR in the Sushant Singh Rajput death probe is concerned. Remember, as we speak, there has been a growing demand by the family lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput to add murder charges to the existing FIR. As of now, the charges are for criminal conspiracy, abetment to suicide, theft, criminal breach of trust and wrongful confinement under different sections of the IPC. But now, big breaking news coming in. This is confirmed to Republic TV. It's a super exclusive. CBI to add 302 murder charge. They will be adding the murder charge in the Sushant case. CBI is now considering adding murder charge. Big breaking development coming in. Piyush, my colleague, joining us with more details. Piyush, that's the demand that is being put out by the family since the past few days. They've been saying that the speed of the CBI investigation needs to increase and murder charge must be included in the FIR. And now source-based information coming in that could turn out to be true. Give us more details.
Well, Krishnan, this is what we are picking from our sources that most likely 3002 could be added by Central Bureau of Investigation, and that will be a big development, massive development as far as this entire case is concerned. Remember, since beginning, the family members of Sushant Singh Rajput were demanding that 302 should be added, and moreover, we also saw that how this campaign was led, and many people had come out in which they had said it was not suicide but murder. But throughout our investigation, where we tried to confront many people and got details about the entire case, we also got to know that there were many people who were saying that it was a suicide, but there were many who were also saying that it was a murder. Now this theory of suicide is, we believe that this theory of suicide is going to melt down. And also, as far as this murder case is concerned, if CBI adds that, then it will be a big development, because family members were demanding since beginning that the case should be investigated by adding the murder charges. Also, and today also we have broken out a very big important news piece in which we have told to our viewers that how Riya met with Sushant Singh Rajput on 13th, and that's the big breaking development also coming in. But latest what we are picking is that CBI is looking forward to add 302 in their investigation. We also know that the CBI team had conducted its entire course of investigation in which it had grilled many people in this entire case, including Keshav, Neeraj, Siddharth Pitani, Sandeep Singh. Many people were grilled, and now right now, as we are speaking, the team is in CBI. A couple of days back, it had also issued a statement that no angle can be ruled out, murder angle cannot be ruled out, and day before yesterday itself, AIIMS had given its report to CBI, about their investigation also, in which even they had said the same thing. And now for the first time, CBI is all set to add 302, and the further interrogation in this case will continue. Remember, the family members were asking for this since beginning. A case was filed in Bihar also, and after that, when CBI handed over the entire probe, they investigated almost every angle. And now what we are picking is that CBI might add 302. We'll have to wait and watch how the investigation in this case will proceed.
This is huge. CBI could add the murder charge as far as SSR death probe is concerned. Piyush, let's talk about the build-up to this news break. How the AIIMS report is already out. How in yet another explosive news break, we have put out